Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP, and today you'll be learning some basic Filipino words you can use to express something negative about someone. Knowing some of them can be both fun and useful as it can give you an idea if some local is complimenting you or not as well. These are considered mild and they can be used in a joking manner. Let's start with Pangit. This translates to ugly in English. Pangit, pangit. 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 Pangit ka ba? Hindi. Gwapo ako. Hindi ka pangit. Maganda ka. Bastos. This could mean rude or disrespectful. Bastos. 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 Bastos ka. Bastos siya. Hindi siya bastos. Mahina is weak in English. Mahina. 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 Mahina ka pala? Hindi ko kaya. Mahina ako. Mahina po ako. The next one is maliit. It means small or short. Maliit. 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 Hindi niya abot. Maliit siya. Maliit ka pala? The last one is mabagal. This is slow in English. Mabagal. 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 Mabagal ka gumalaw. Mabagal ako. Mabagal si ate. Mabagal si kuya. Now, let's go over all the words we learned today. Pangit. Bastos. Mahina. Maliit. Mabagal. Repeat these words and practice them on your own. I hope you find these common Filipino adjectives helpful the next time you go around town and meet locals. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.